What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be doing some Fast and Furious mods to the 350Z. For a while now, I've actually been wanting to put Underglow on the car. So I went out on the internet and I went to go buy a really cheap kit. So this is the kit right here. I believe it cost me less than 30 bucks, but let's just jump right into it. So as soon as you open the box, you're gonna get these 4 LED strips here. I guess, I don't know what this is called, but it's the controller. I believe it goes with the music, I'm not too sure. And then here is the little remote that it comes with. It has a bunch of different colors. This is not the kind that has like infinity colors, it's just like the solid colors. So like red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cyan, and purple. And then there's a whole bunch of different mods that you can do, or modes that you can do. You can turn the brightness up and the brightness down. Anyway, I believe this is the power cord right here. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. It comes with 4 very long strips and they're made to go under the car. So hopefully this lasts. Again, it is a cheap kit. I'm not expecting too much out of it. I just need there to be lights under the car. So we're gonna go install this. It should be a pretty straightforward install, just a power and a ground, and run everything to the 4 corners, and then we should be having some Tokyo Drift moods up in here. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start finding placements for these strips and we're gonna jump right into it. All right, let's go. So before we go ahead and install any of this, I wanna just hook everything up just to make sure it works, because I would hate to install all this, run all the lines, and then only for it not to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up to the battery real quick and see if it turns on. So let's go ahead and check it out. White, that's not white, that's yellow. Oh, light show, son. Oh, that's dope. Whoa. Oh, it does move with the music. Look, it's going with my voice. Whoa. Oh, this is dope, guys. I like this one. All right, guys, so it works and it's actually pretty dope. Just wait till I install it in the car and then you guys will see. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this under the car now that I know that everything works. After carefully thinking things through, I went ahead and got the lights ran through this center boot right here. All I did was took off the bolts, lifted this up, and I fished them through here. Yes, there could have been a better way or easier way or a different way, but I feel like this way is good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this wires untangled and then fish the rest through, and then I will show you guys where I'm gonna mount the lights. It's kind of hard to show with the camera right now, but just so you guys get a better idea, I routed the lights on the front and the rear. I just placed them on the bottom of the bash bar, or like the bumper support, and then on the sides I pretty much placed the strips alongside where I run the airlines. So if you guys need a better idea, just go look at like my air suspension videos just to see where it's at. Like I said, it's kind of hard to show you guys right now, but as far as this situation goes here, I took the car apart because I ran the power and the ground to this, there's a cigarette lighter right here in the middle somewhere. Oh yeah, right there. And then I'm gonna leave the box under this center console right here. And let me put this back together, and then I'm gonna put the car on the ground and show you guys what it looks like. It looks pretty sick, I already saw it. And I can't wait to show you guys. All right, so everything's put back together. As you guys can see, it looks nice and clean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the car off the jack stands. And the car actually died, so now I gotta go ahead and jump it again because I haven't started the car since the last Drift Central, like a month ago. So we're gonna go ahead and jump the car and then check out the lights. Okay, so we got the truck hooked up right there. Christine's gonna try to start it. It's hooked up all the way to the battery right there. Here you go, babe, crank it up. Yeah, money. Oh look, the lights are on already. So sick, yo. Yo, this looks super sick. Try air it down, let me see. Oh, this car is too low. Alright guys, so this is what the car looks like with the Underglow on it. And I can honestly say, like, this thing looks freaking sick. The one thing that I should mention though is that the car is kind of too low for the sides to show, but it shows really well at nighttime through the back end and the front. So this is at like ride height right now, so you can tell that there's Underglow on it from the sides. Try to go air it out. The Underglow is on and the car is aired out. The sides are on the ground, so you can't tell that there's Underglow, only from the front and from the back. That looks freaking sick. I like how you can see it through the exhaust cutouts. That looks freaking sick. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, this was a really cheap kit, so it's not gonna be something, you know, super extravagant, but it serves its purpose. It serves its purpose, which is gonna be having the lights under the car. And I think it looks sick. I can't wait to go ahead and do some night drifting at Sonoma with this thing. And be Hot Boy 2019. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up if you guys like this video, if you guys think the car looks cool. If you don't, you know, let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right,
peace out and stay good.